Hello there, welcome to my channel Steve Max, and today I would like to take you through filing your KRA returns. And if you've not subscribed, please remember to subscribe to this channel so that whenever I post, you will be the first one to engage and get to know more. Now the first step, of course, is to log in. In this case, iTax, there it has opened. Here you have to input your PIN, the KRA PIN. I know you have it with you, so you make sure you have these details at hand for you to save time. The KRA PIN, okay, right there. After you input, you come down here to this arithmetic. Now you see I'm being told that invalid login ID or password. This means that I've not input the correct details, so I'll go to reset. So you will click on forgot password because I want to reset. Then you'll be brought to this page where the pin for KRA is already there because I had used it on the earlier page. So here you'll be asked to do this sum here of 22 plus 12. You go to submit. So when you submit, the next page you'll be told operation successful. You see you'll be told your password has been mailed to you. Where is it being mailed to? To your email address that is registered with KRA. Click back and you'll be brought to this start page where you'll be required to begin afresh to input your PIN again. So right there, click there, left click, then it will bring you to, when you click login, to bring you to this other page. They just step by step processes that enable you to file your returns. It's not hard actually. People fear even attempting, but it's not a hard procedure. Let me just input it here. I've done so. Then again you have to come to the computation of this sum here, then log in, and once you click login you'll be brought to this page where you are told first time login. Now under first time login you'll be asked to input your old password. Now the old password in this case, it is the password that was mailed to me. That is what the system is calling the old password, because once you log in after prompting the system to reset your password, the one that is mailed to you now becomes the old password. And once you log in as first time login, you have to set a new password. That's a requirement because you cannot keep using the system generated password. That's why I'm being asked to input the old password. Then next you are being told to input the new password after this one. So what I've put here for new password, I confirm it down here. That means I do it again. So after that, when it's similar, I go to the security question. You have to remember the security question that you had set earlier on. And for my case, I remember it's good to write these things down in a secure place so that whenever you need them, you can easily refer to save time. So security answer, to my security question. Then you have all these instructions here. Actually, they are not instructions but a disclaimer. Now all that you have to do here is just to agree. You check this box called agree to KRA website policy and disclaimer. Just click here and it will indicate this blue. You will now be logged in and you'll be told welcome so and so. Then once you are here, that means that you are now in this portal, KRA portal. File return. Then for this case I wish to file the nil return. Then you'll be told all fields marked with star are mandatory. So here the first one is self, so you have to select self. Of course it's you, which is okay. Then income residential, so you'll be brought to this page where you are asked to input the wife pin, and if that doesn't apply to you, then you skip it. And before next, make sure you confirm the period for the return, which in this case is January 1st 2022 to 31st of December 2022. Then you will have to submit. You'll be asked that, dear taxpayer, filing of nil returns is only applicable in cases where you have no transactions to declare for the period. Are you sure you want to file nil return? Then since I'm sure, I'll click next and wait for the system to move to the next page. And actually that is submitting, and it's the final stage. Then it will take a few seconds, and there we are done. And here we are being told that return receipt generated. The return submitted successfully with acknowledgement number here, and you can download the receipt. That is it for today. Thank you for following. Remember to file your returns before the period is closed, which is June 30th midnight. Remember to subscribe to Steve Max and stay tuned. Thank you.